Welcome to another tantalizing episode of the Crescent Tales.
You're afraid of the dark, aren't you? Oh, but you are. I know all about you. You understand? You were afraid of the dark when you were a child. Not because of robbers or thieves or murderers. Children don't think of such things. You were afraid of the dark because of the Boogeyman. That's the name your parents used. Boogeyman. One of those smart, sophisticated grown-up words. But there's terror behind it. When you were a child, you knew what the Boogeyman looked like. You would see him in your dreams. That black grinning shape with the wicked red eyes and clutching claws. You heard it.